Welcome everyone to my channel BioWorld once again. So today again with a very interesting topic, that is sex determination in human, one of the part of the chapter principle of inheritance and variation, that is genetics. Now sex determination in human, before we start with this part we need to understand the category of chromosome. So there are two types of chromosome. One is autosomes. They are also known as body chromosome, that is somatic chromosome, responsible for body character. That means chromosome carrying body feature. Whereas allosomes, they are also known as sex chromosome, responsible for the sex of a person. So that is gender determination. Now, how many total number of chromosomes are found in human? That is, total number is 23 pairs, that is 46. Out of that 23 pairs, 22 pairs chromosome, they are categorized as autosomes or body chromosome, responsible for body character. Whereas the 23rd pair or the last pair, they are known as allosomes. They are categorized as XX and XY in respective female and male, and they are known as sex chromosome, determining the sex of a child or sex of a person or individual, that is gender. Now in male, the gamete is sperm, and sperm has divided into two parts. That is 50% of the sperm they carries X chromosome, whereas 50% of sperm they carries Y chromosome. So their gametic constitution is divided into such type. Whereas female ovum or egg cell, they have only one type of chromosome, that is X. So they have XX, that means egg cell bear only X chromosome. There is no Y chromosome, remember that, found in female. So how the sex is determined in a child or an offspring? So let's see in a Punnett square how the combination is possible. So here I have written the male gamete, that is X and Y. Here I have written the female gamete, that is X and X. So when X of a male and X of a female, they combine together, that is sperm of a male carrying X chromosome and X cell, obviously only X, they come up to give daughter child. Whereas when sperm of a male carries Y chromosome, which combines with the X of a female, then the son or a male child is produced. Similarly, the same one, X and X produces daughter, X and Y brings out son. So from this chart we understand that a sex of a child or a gender of a child is determined by the Y chromosome of the male. That is male sperm, if it carries Y chromosome, then only son is produced. So unfortunately in our society, female is criticized or blamed for producing daughter in our society, which is not correct. Biologically, who is responsible? Male, and the sperm of a male, if it carries Y chromosome, then only son is produced. So in a fertilization, 50% of chances of production of daughter is there and 50% of production son is there. In this way, sex determination in human is found out or determined. So this is wholly a gametic constitution of male and female. Hopefully this full sex determination process would be understood by you people. Go through it and please do like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it.